Hey, it's Brittany Inns, your Houston realtor. We're here in Clear Lake today on the southeast side of Houston. And normally if you've been following my channel for any length of time, you know that I show model home tours and new construction communities. So today is a little bit different. Today I'm showing you a home that's built in the 60s. So it's a resale property. However, basically everything on the inside, even stuff that's behind the walls that you can't see, is brand new. And so I think you're really gonna like the finishes that the owners have chosen for the new buyers. And so I'm really excited for you to see it. So if you're ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, welcome to 1915 Ramada Drive. This is one of my newest listings. It may look a little different than what I normally show you. It was built in 1962. However, everything on the inside has been redone, even behind the walls. 1,700 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, with direct access to a very popular Greenbelt in our Clear Lake area. Enjoy.